Hello, you're welcome back once again, and I will say happy and prosperous new year to you, my lovely viewers. In this new year, what is your decision? What is that your new year resolution? Every new year we all have something we decide to carry on with. What have you decided to achieve? And I hope one of them is getting a skill if you have none. This is not the year to waste your time, waste your data online for nothing. You must not pay millions to learn or acquire a good skill that will put food on your table or meet your other basic needs. Get tired of begging or being a burden to others. You see this video I stumbled upon on Instagram, and I found that this Elapat is one of the best braiders in Africa. The way she's teaching and the step-by-step she's taking, if you pay attention to her videos, you will learn how to braid perfectly. So this new year, be wise. You can also ask for her Instagram handle in the comment section, and I will gladly give it to you. After all, what is this page for? This is African A to Z Library, where we upgrade, where we talk about all the good artists, good people, good things about Africa. So we are proud of this artist. We are proud of her work. And if you want to learn one-on-one, do go and give a direct message and you will learn it. Please do not waste this year again. You can learn this and make it on your children. You can focus on adding it to your existing skills. No knowledge is a waste. Just focus on one thing in this new year and you'll be glad you did. Stay tuned and still get more from us. Bye for now.